sex is a crucial way for a husband to feel loved and respected. Unlike women, for whom sex might not even rank in the top 10 priorities in a relationship, men often place it among the top 3. This difference can create misunderstandings in marriages. Women sometimes use sex as a tool for manipulation or treat it as a chore, which can harm the relationship. When you marry, part of the commitment is a healthy sexual relationship. Treating sex as an obligation or a duty can lead to resentment. Instead, it's essential to reconnect with the fact that you also enjoy sex. Engaging in sex with your partner because you genuinely want to, rather than just to fulfill an obligation, can improve your relationship and create a deeper connection. Women often put up walls around sex, especially after the initial excitement of the relationship fades. Overcoming these barriers and remembering that you once enjoyed sex can help rebuild intimacy. A healthy sex life is vital for a strong marriage, benefiting both partners when approached with genuine desire and engagement.